Incivility is a huge problem in American society, and leaders like yourself have the greatest responsibility for dealing with this problem. While I would never say that leaders are solely to blame for the rise in workplace incivility, I would say that leaders have the most to offer when it comes to increasing civility in the workplace. Here are 2 steps leaders can take to reduce uncivil behavior. First, provide consistent opportunities for employee input. When people feel they have a voice within the organization, when they feel they can express ideas, concerns, or dissent without fear, many positive outcomes happen. We see higher employee commitment and engagement, which leads to increased motivation and effort, and decreased emotional fatigue. Likewise, when employees have input, we see improved decision quality, enhanced risk detection, more innovative solutions, stronger collaboration, and reduced turnover. And perhaps most importantly, we see greater trust and civility. Put simply, people who are psychologically and emotionally invested in the organization will behave better in the organization. Second, provide employees with opportunities to get to know people they would otherwise not have a chance to know. One of the best ways to create more civil environments is to give people a chance to interact with those they don't normally have a chance to interact with, and to learn from those they don't normally have a chance to learn from. This offers a variety of benefits, such as improved social cohesion and trust, enhanced communication quality, increased engagement, and improved employee morale. Likewise, when employees engage each other in low-stakes environments, we see an increase in psychological safety because interpersonal risk is decreased. This allows us to humanize each other beyond our roles and titles. It also allows us to build familiarity and trust, and most of all, it decreases the likelihood of uncivil behavior. That's it! Leaders, you can create more civil environments by asking for employee input and by creating opportunities for employees to build more powerful relationships with each other.